SUI projected to increase 0.5% by tomorrow, CoinLore data indicates. But first, let's take a closer look at what's happening in the market. SUI has shown a 0.5% rise in the past 24 hours and is hovering near $0.918. Next up, the analysts' perspectives. According to CoinLore, the price could reach $0.9222 by May 3, an upside of 0.5%. SUI is projected to move up toward an 92 cents per coin price forecast, an expected increase of 0.2%. According to Traders Union, it might be heading lower towards $0.9166, a decline estimated at 0.2%. Another prediction by Digital Coin Price indicates SUI may fall to $0.9141, about 0.4% down from current levels. Finally, CoinDataFlow sees $0.9057 by May 3, 1.3% down. This is the most profitable forecast among all those reviewed. That's all for the forecast calls. Let's continue the analysis. We've seen the forecasts. Now let's measure what they suggest. The predictions indicate movement in the range from a drop of 1.3% to a rise of 0.5%. It's clear that CoinDataFlow expects the highest return with 1.3% gain in value by tomorrow. This means you could collect between $2 and $13 for every $1,000 you invest. When focusing on probabilities, CoinPrice Forecast has the strongest forecast, carrying an 87.6% chance of success. With the forecast combined, I've built an overall consensus outlook. The combined outlook positions SUI around $0.9157. Here's the breakdown. The consensus path points to a 0.2% downward shift. Said simply, your capital could also climb by 0.2% along with the same change. With 1,000, the numbers suggest a possible $2 more, which puts the probability of this consensus forecast being met at roughly 87.6%. Let's pause here and check the 3-day forecasts from analysts. CoinLore projects calm trading conditions, with SUI anchored around today's levels. Likewise, CoinPrice Forecast suggests the market will hold its ground. A slide is anticipated by Traders Union, with pressure on the downside. Also, Digital Coin Price anticipates SUI heading south. A bearish forecast is likewise made by CoinDataFlow, expecting losses. The consensus stance presents SUI with a clear downward direction. Summing up, the majority of forecasts point toward weakness in SUI. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Now we look at their accuracy. As a result, the market settled at $0.9191. The closing price showed that just one forecast aligned with the market. The forecast with the smallest deviation was from CoinCodex. Let's organize the outcomes for a clearer picture. Yesterday's candle showed 2 forecasts inside. As for ROI, several analysts finished in profit, with CoinCodex leading at 0.7%. Here's a full overview with every analyst's performance side by side. At a glance, Digital Coin Price was given 77.1% forecast probability, $0.0294 accuracy, and minus 1.2% ROI. Have a look and see if you can find the one who came closest. Now let's see how SUI's potential forecasted return compares with those of other assets. Here SUI trails behind while Litecoin takes the lead, showing 0.3% in forecasted returns. This comparison features SUI with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis can already be explored on my website. Stay a step ahead. Subscribe now to catch early signs of the next big shift. See you in the next one.